Hello guys, welcome back to Beyond Toy Tales. After I came back from Japan, I got a little bit of cold, so maybe my voice going to be a little bit rough. I'm sorry for that, but let's review what I got from Japan. So first up is Kero Plastic Kid. This is my favorite anime when I was in grade 5 or 6. So when I was really young, I just like this because he play the plastic kid the gunpla and I kind of like that. It's kind of funny from to me, so I just bought it just to remind me of my childhood. And I never have a Kero plastic kid before, so I just bought one. So here it is. Up next is the Master Rider Kabuto. Is Master Rider Kabuto is my favorite Master Rider. I don't want to say ever, but I think it's gonna be at least top three for sure. It's either gonna be Kabuto, Fight, or Liu Ki. It's just these three. I don't know which one, but these three is high up there. And up next is Ultraman suit Jack. I just like this because of Ultraman with my childhood again, and I kind of like the design of the suit. It's kind of bulky, and he used a huge X, so I kind of like that. So I just bought him. And upstairs is Digimon Metal Greymon. This is my favorite Digimon. I mean the second favorite Digimon of all time. The first one gonna be him fused with something else that used have one blade and one wolf cannon. I don't know what is his name was. I kind of forgot. But I see this and it's kind of hard to find in Thailand, so I just bought this instead. And I see on the display he is kind of big, so I like that. So I just bought him. And that's gonna be all for the plastic kit. So up next is Ichiban Gucci for Yu-Gi-Oh. Yu-Gi-Oh is I mean, a lot of people's childhood, everything, and this one gonna be Yu-Gi-Oh GX, right? So my childhood deck that I play Yu-Gi-Oh when I play Yu-Gi-Oh, I play a lot of Yuki Judai. Of course, he is a main character, so it's very suiting. This is all the E that I got. And all the D, I just throw away the box because it took away a lot of space in the luggage. So I kind of have only this plastic. So in the video, you're gonna see I got four box of this, and I got the Ojima yellow. I mean, I got the what is called. I got two of Ojima yellow, so I give it to my cousin. So here you're gonna see only three, and this is all the G that I got. And this is all the F. I got Motoyuki Kaibaseto, uh, and I don't know how to pronounce her name, Asuka Tenjoy. I don't know how to pronounce it, but yeah. And all the Millennium Pieces, and Jun Manyome Manjome. Okay, and I just noticed that all of these have a sticker on the back, as you can see here. The yellow Ojima and the Moto Yuki and the 8 Atem. And for her, well, I don't know why she give this guy. It kind of not make sense to me. And for Kaiba, it have a Obelisk. And for Yuki, Moto Yuki, it have a Black Magician Girl. and Kuribo, but no black magician. But it's fine, I guess. And for the C, I didn't open it yet, so I don't know what it is. So it's just a stand, I think. So like this. The Hydra and Whisker and Manjome, and the last one I think is a Kaiser, if I'm not. Oh yeah, Kaiser. And for the G, I got Jubel, Buster Blader, what it is called, I kind of forgot his name, is Cyber End Dragon. Neos. I don't know what to do with all of these, but it's kind of cool. I don't know where I'm gonna put the display. Put it on display. And this is all the Ichiban Fuji that I got. So let's just assemble all this. Oh, I forgot the most important box. The highest that I got. So at first I want a cipher, but I mean Flaming Man is the second base. I don't want the Yuki Judai, the A for Jibanguchi. I mean either cipher or Flaming Man. That's gonna satisfy me. But I got a Flaming Man, so no complaint. But cipher would be better. But Flaming Man just fine. So off its own it can stand, but if you worry if it's gonna fall off, you can use this stand to kind of hold it up. The Flaming Man is much better choice. And the Yuki Judai, I see a lot of Japanese sell it to the shop. I never see the Flaming Man get sold before. Only Yuki Judai and Cipher is really hard to find. And Yuki Judai is everywhere in what's it the place called? Not Yokohama, what is called? Akihabara, yeah. In the Akihabara, a lot of shop have Yuki Judai, some shop have a cipher, but nowhere I can find the Flaming Man, right? So much better choice. Up next is some not related to anything, but I like Monster Hunter, so I bought a Sinoka because he is one of my favorite monster of all time. The closest one gonna be Gormakala. So, but I cannot find the Gormakala one this big, so I just bought a Sinoka instead. As you can see here, the detail is kind of on point because he's small, but the detail and everything is kind of look cool as you can see. And I like blue color, and I mean he's blue. Up next is gashapon. Only a gashapon that I tried, and I got the Exia. I want this Exia. It have three option, and I got the one that I want, so I just stopped there. Oh, so I get it now. So if you want all the green part over here, and the eyes, you need to get all three of the gashapon. If you only get the outside like me, you gotta have a hole over here, and over here. So it's quite clever that they do that, but it's annoying for the customer